This is the extra well done cheese pizza. Guys, welcome back. Today I'm sharing the cheese pizza at home by yourself. So again, we have a pizza crust. Okay, I was waiting for that. So first thing first, guys, add some olive oil at the bottom of the pan. Take a brush and just spread some olive oil at the bottom. Alright, it's been done. We will take our pizza crust and we will stretch it all on top of our pan. Okay, it goes right there. And this is our pizza dough. First of all, we will try to open it. Okay, by stretching, I'm gonna make sure it's a round pizza. So just I'll spread the sides gently. That's how you do it too. A cheese pizza is the most famous pizza around the world. I mean, it's just bread, some red sauce, which is tomato based, and the cheese right on top. So I have some holes. I'm gonna just cover the holes with some more dough, put it together. So this is a ready-made dough. Okay, it looks browned. I'm gonna just cover some more holes right here. This is how you should do too, you know. The edges are a little bit thick, but it's fine. It has to be like this. Alright, first thing first, I'm using the favorite red sauce. It has the olive oil in there, basil and garlic and tomatoes. So it's very easy recipe. So we'll put healthy amount of red sauce right on top. We'll take a brush and we will spread it all across the pizza. Oh, the chunky tomatoes are in there. Wow, it's gonna taste good. I can tell you. Use the same ingredients and you will be surprised. The cheese pizza, homemade, with ready-made ingredients, right? So it's gonna be more easy. We'll put the brush on the side. I have the mozzarella cheese. Very easy, simple. We'll take a handful of mozzarella cheese and we will sprinkle it right on top, just like this. Another handful of mozzarella cheese. Cheese pizza definitely gonna take a lot of cheese on top of it. Now we will put some in the middle. Okay, and just try to spread the cheese evenly. So it's not just loading on one side a lot of it, and the next side is not that good. Alright, so we will take one more time to the red sauce and kind of drizzle it right on top of the cheese. So kind of this is our second layer of red sauce. Okay. We'll take another layer of cheese and just sprinkle it right on top. One more handful of cheese. It's gonna go all right on top. Let me add a little bit more cheese to it. So it's all gonna melt. It's gonna be a thick layer of thick layer of pizza. Thick layer of cheese on the pizza. This is how it looks so far. Alright guys, so our basic preparation is done. We will bake this cheese pizza at 425 degrees for 15 minutes and I'll see you guys after 15 minutes. So guys, 15 minutes, our cheese pizza is ready. It's a mountain of cheese on a pizza. Oh. So this is the cheese lover pizza. I'm telling you guys. Right? So here Here's our pizza right here. Oh wow! Look at the sides. Look at the bottom. I mean, it's extra well done right here. It's gonna give the crunchy. So this is the extra well done cheese pizza right here. This is all crunchy. It's gonna taste yummy. It's gooey and cheesy on the top, but at the bottom it's gonna give you the crunch. It's gonna give you the crunch, 110%. Let me get my pizza cutters. Crunchy. Oh wow, dude, it's crunchy and it's yummy. It's gonna be 110% yummy. Trust me. If you're craving for a cheese pizza, I would say follow this recipe, and it's gonna be the best cheese pizza. There you go. I should make thin slices, so because the amount of cheese it has on top of it, I mean, it's gonna barely hold big slices. Oh my god, the strength of cheese, the aroma I'm getting right here. Oh my goodness, that's a pizza lover cheese pizza. Flavorful. I'm gonna give it one more cut right here. Oh wow. So it has almost 1.5 pounds of cheese on top of it on a large pizza. Imagine how it's gonna taste. This is all yumminess. Alright, so this is the moment of truth now. Okay, this is the moment of truth. You're not lying here. This is our first slice of our cheese pizza. And here you go. It's hot. Oh my. This red sauce is a bomb. It has the basil, it has the garlic, and it has the olive oil. It's not just regular red tomato sauce. It has the flavor. Oh my god. Second bite. Take a closer look. Let me show you. Bottom, it's a crunch. And the cheese, roasted mozzarella cheese right on top. This is the bomb. Ready-made ingredients. It took 20 minutes for me to make this. I mean, we all can do this, and it can feed up to 4 people of the family. If you're making it at home, and if you're a man, try this recipe. Trust me, it's delicious, it's wonderful, it's very easy to make. Check the other slice. Let me just show you, the bigger one. So if you come closer, so this is the biggest slice. I was like, it's not gonna hold it, but it's holding perfectly fine. I'm holding it like upside down. This is the extra well done cheese pizza. I've been under the weather a little bit with this new year 2023, but I'm still ramping up the videos for you guys, the recipes for you guys to make it at home. I mean, I barely spent maybe, how much I spent? Maybe around $8 just to make this large pizza, cheese pizza, as the way I want it, the amount of cheese I want it, the amount of red sauce I want it, the way it should be cooked I want it. So I mean, if you have 20 minutes of your time, you should be making this pizza at home by yourself rather paying anyone else. I mean, I'm just saying, I'm just a chef, I'm just saying, So thank you so much guys for watching. I'm sorry I've been under the weather. I couldn't entertain you more enough for this recipe, but the thing is, we have the new recipe of cheese pizza from ready-made ingredients at home by yourself in 20 minutes for around $8 to $10. I mean, nobody gives this kind of multi-layered cheese pizza anywhere around the world for under $10, So subscribe to the channel, like the video, subscribe and share this video if you liked it. Alright, so I got the biggest slice of the cheese pizza. The bottom extra roasted. And here we go. It's hot. You better try this recipe right now.